How to download torrent files on Android devices. So all you have to do is go to Play Store on your Android device, and from here you need to search for uTorrent. All right, search for uTorrent and go for this application. Install this application and let's wait for the installation. And yeah, now let's open our application. So all you have to do from here is go to the search here and search for the torrent you are looking for. It can be a game, it can be music, it can be any files. So you can search for the torrent you are looking for. So simply search for the torrent name and you will be redirected to the websites where you can get the torrent files. So this is basically how you get the torrent files on your Android devices, and once you have visited the website, you can simply download those files on your Android device using this uTorrent application. So this is how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.